There has to be no tougher place on earth to test engine oil than in a Las Vegas taxi fleet, operating in desert temperatures that can soar to 117 degrees, constant stop-and-go driving, and extended idling with the AC on full blast. At Universal Lubricants, we wanted to demonstrate the performance of sustainable Eco Ultra synthetic blend motor oil in protecting engines in the toughest environment imaginable. But then we went even further by first increasing the oil drain intervals to 10,000 miles, up to 3 times longer than the manufacturer's recommendations, and then by running the engines to over 150,000 miles. And when the engine hardware was evaluated and the oils analyzed, the results were proof positive that innovative Eco Ultra offered exceptional engine protection, even in the most punishing conditions, while still being far gentler on the planet than most other oils.
150,000 miles, 10,000 mile drain interval, in a taxi cab in the high desert. I am more than pleased with the results that we're seeing from these parts.
Eco Ultra is a superbly manufactured lubricant made from crystal clear re-refined base oil known as Eco Clear, that's purified and blended with high-quality synthetic base oils and high-performance additives to protect vehicles and the environment. It's fully licensed by the American Petroleum Institute and meets SAE requirements and other OEM specifications. Which takes us back to the desert-like test conditions of the Las Vegas taxicab fleet. We took 2 Impala 2009 taxis featuring new General Motors 3.5-liter V6 engines. These engines are known to operate at very high temperatures, putting further demands on the oil. The factory fill oils were drained and replaced with Eco Ultra Synthetic Blend 5W30 API SNGF5 oils. We had the drivers take them out on their regular shifts. Oil samples were taken every 7,500 and 10,000 miles and analyzed to identify any component wear and lubricant condition. The oil change intervals were extended well past the engine manufacturer's recommendations to 10,000 miles, and the engines kept going until the conclusion of the test at over 156,000 miles. Then the engines were removed, torn down, and underwent a complete part-by-part inspection and evaluation. After 150,000 miles, all the engine parts were in excellent condition. Sludge and varnish ratings were recorded for the covers, the rockers, and the head, and the results were outstanding. Throughout the test, used oils were thoroughly analyzed, and the results were impressive. The Universal Eco Ultra demonstrated outstanding oxidation control, ensuring sufficient lubrication for the life of the drain, and sustained fuel economy performance. What's more, it ensures excellent low-temperature engine pumpability when traveling far away from Las Vegas. When the car starts, the oil needs to flow. And when the wear metals were analyzed, it was clear that Eco Ultra demonstrated exceptional wear protection. Eco Ultra Synthetic Blend Motor Oil, proven once again in one of the toughest applications imaginable. Eco Ultra, motor oil redefined.